Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Babyganics Foaming Dish Soap. This foaming dish soap refill is full of plant-derived and other thoughtful ingredients, in a formula that does away with grease and dried-on goo, then rinses clean. Whether it's for baby, family, or dinner party dish, Babyganics is best known for its liquid dish soaps, but the brand makes an impressive dishwasher formula, too. This sizable bottle contains enough soap for almost 100 loads, and the squeeze spout makes it easy to pour. The phosphate and fragrance-free formula is a great option for the environment as well. Number 2 in this best dishwasher soap list is Dawn Platinum Dishwashing Soap. If you're looking for the perfect pair, look no further. Get your ultimate clean and be the kitchen hero with the grease cleaning power of Dawn Dish Soap paired with the Dawn Non-Scratch Scrubber Sponge. Dawn Ultra Platinum has 4x more grease cleaning power per drop, so you can get through more dishes with less. The Dawn Non-Scratch Scrubber Sponge has a scrubber side that easily takes off grease and baked-on messes, while the absorbent cellulose side is gentle yet mighty to get dishes sparkling clean. Cleaning ingredients per drop versus Non-Ultra Dawn. The soap can leave a light film on some dishes. Additionally, it can produce a good amount of foam in your dishwasher when working its magic. Our third pick is Mrs. Meyer's Dishwashing Soap. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day liquid dish soaps are specifically made to make grease disappear, while also providing a special, singular scent for your entire home. Lemon Verbena dishwashing liquid has a light, refreshingly mild citrus scent. This tender herb blossoms in early summer and smells bright and new through and through. Our biodegradable dish soap cuts through grease yet is gentle enough for hand washing dishes, pots, and pans. The dishwashing liquid contains plant-derived cleaning ingredients that keep dishes clean and bright. Made without parabens, phthalates, animal-derived ingredients, and always a cruelty-free dish soap. Also available in other garden-inspired scents and products such as body lotions, laundry detergents, candles, and so much more. Mrs. Meyer's rooted in goodness. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best dishwasher soap list is Dawn Ultra Dishwashing Soap. If you want 3x more grease cleaning power per drop, you should pick Dawn Ultra Dishwashing Soap. You can get through more dishes with less. No matter what you've got cooking in the kitchen, Dawn Dishwashing Liquid will leave your dishes squeaky clean every time. The powder scrubs away its stuck-on food and helps to break it down. The powerful liquid cuts through grease and washes away residues, allowing your dishes to dry quickly while retaining a brilliant shine. While this trifecta will cost a little more per load, the convenience and effectiveness will more than make up for it. It's also a glassware match made in heaven. Dawn Ultra Dishwashing Liquid Dish Soap Refill, Original. Usage instructions: do not add bleach. Last in this list is 7th Generation Dish Liquid Soap. 7th Generation Dishwashing Liquid cuts through grease and powers away tough residue to leave dishes sparkling clean. Speaking of clean, we are big believers in transparency, so much so that you can see right through our liquid dish soap. This dish soap is scented with 100% essential oils and botanical ingredients because the real stuff smells good just the way it is. Remember, you must never use dyes, synthetic fragrances, phosphates, or triclosan. Its safe and effective formula is made with plant-based ingredients and is designed with safety. 7th Generation Dish Soap powers through grease and tough residue to leave dishes sparkling clean. Liquid dish soap is a synthetic fragrance-free, dye-free, phosphate-free, and triclosan-free. Natural dish soap with a clementine zest and lemongrass fragrance made from 100% essential oils and botanical ingredients. Safe and effective dishwashing liquid soap made with plant-based ingredients. Free and clear dish liquid, clinically proven hypoallergenic. Caring today for the next 7 generations with 7th generation liquid dish soap. For details, let's watch more.